Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create ebook layouts in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. A clean and professional ebook layout helps keep readers engaged. It makes your content easier to read and it gives your ebook a more polished and credible look. Whether you're creating a free ebook, a lead magnet, or a paid product, good layout design makes a big difference. First, let's go ahead and create a new design. You can search for ebook, document, or choose any custom size depending on your needs. Let's search ebook. For most ebooks, a vertical layout works best. You can also start with a clean professional ebook template to save time. Once your design is open, focus on simplicity. Minimal layouts usually works best for ebooks. Use clear margins, proper spacing, and consistent alignment across pages. This helps your ebook look organized and easy to read from start to finish. The next step is choose your font and colors. Use no more than 2 or 3 fonts for the entire ebook. Apply the same font styles for headings, subheadings, and body text on every page. If you have brand colors, use them consistently to keep a professional look. Now, start laying out your content. Break your ebook into clear sections like the cover page, table of contents, chapters, and conclusion. Each page should focus on one main idea. Avoid overcrowding pages with too much text. To make your ebook more engaging, add visuals like icons, images, charts, or simple graphs. Use Canva elements from the Canva element tab to support your content, not distract from it. Make sure images are high quality and match the style of your ebook. Always keep text short and readable. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and proper line spacing. This makes your ebook easier to scan and more comfortable to read on screens. Lastly, before exporting, review every pages carefully. Check alignment, spacing, and spelling. Review your ebook from start to finish to make sure everything flows well. Once ready, download your ebook as a PDF. Go to Downloads, choose PDF, and it will be downloaded as a high-quality PDF. Once downloaded, it's now ready to share, sell, or upload online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.